If you're applying for a license or job, you've heard about FD-258, FD-1164, or SF-87 fingerprint cards. What's the difference? All three cards capture rolled and flat fingerprints from 10 fingers, but each is used for different purposes. The FD-258 is the most common, used for employment, licensing, and general background checks. FD-1164 is specifically for FBI identity history summary checks. It's an all-white FBI form. The SF-87 card, issued by the U.S. Office of Personnel Management, is for federal employment and security clearances. Same fingerprint process, but different metadata and agencies. Confirm which card is needed before fingerprinting. Visit Anshin Notary in Los Angeles for all three fingerprint card types, completed by certified professionals. Need help choosing the right fingerprint card? Visit AnshinNotary.com or call 310-526-0200. Fast, accurate, accepted nationwide.